Hello students, welcome back to another session of Civics chapter number 2, Preamble to the Constitution. Let us continue the chapter. The preamble has guaranteed the Indian citizens the three values of justice, liberty and equality. Let us understand these values. What does justice means? Justice implies removal of injustice and ensuring that everybody has the opportunity for progress. Establishing justice is adopting such policies that will promote public good. Three types of justice are talked of in the preamble. First is social justice, second is economic justice, and third is political justice. What is social justice? Social justice means all people should be treated equally. There should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, religion, or place of birth or language. As human beings, all have the right to the same dignity and respect, the same status. Next is economic justice. To eradicate poverty, it is necessary that everyone should have the right to a source of livelihood, because poverty leads to hunger deaths or malnutrition. Our constitution has given this right to every citizen without any discrimination. Next is political justice. Being the citizen of a democratic nation, we have right to choose our own representatives who work on our behalf in the parliament. We have adopted universal adult franchise to enable equal participation in the running of the country. Universal adult franchise means right to vote. Accordingly, all citizens completing 18 years of age have the right to vote in elections. Next is liberty. Liberty means freedom. In a democracy, citizens enjoy liberty. In fact, democracy becomes mature only if citizens enjoy freedom. Liberty implies that there should be no restrictions upon us. Freedom of thought and expression is the most fundamental freedom for an individual. Everyone is free to express their own views, own opinions. A give and take of idea enhances the spirit of cooperation and unity among us. Similarly, it enables us to understand the various dimensions of any problem. The liberty of belief, faith, and worship implies religious freedom. Every Indian citizen is free to act as per the teachings of their religion or the religion of their choice. It implies the freedom of celebrating the festivals and the freedom of faith and worship. Next is equality. The preamble guarantees the Indian citizens an equality of status and of opportunity. It means that all have equal human status. There will be no discrimination based on caste, creed, religion, or place of birth. The guarantee of equal status means not to discriminate between people in terms of high or low, superior or inferior. The preamble has given great importance to equality of opportunity. All will get the opportunities for development without any discrimination, as it is mentioned in our constitution. The preamble to our constitution refers to a unique ideal or principle. It is the goal of promoting fraternity among the citizens and to assure the dignity of the individual. Fraternity means we feeling, helping each other. It creates a feeling of empathy. People become more understanding towards each other's problem and needs. Fraternity is closely related to human dignity, human respect. Human dignity implies equal respect to each individual as a human being, without discriminating on caste, creed, race, language, etc. In this way, when every individual respects another and honors their freedom and rights, dignity of individual will get established, where there will be no discrimination among high, low, inferior, superior. The task of bringing about a new society based on values of justice, equality will be facilitated. The preamble ends with the mention of fact that the people of India have given the constitution to themselves. We must respect the values of justice and equality mentioned in the constitution.